Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to close your books in QuickBooks. This is an essential process for protecting your financial records and preventing accidental changes to transactions from previous accounting periods. Let's walk through it, step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. This gear icon is your gateway to all the settings and configurations within QuickBooks. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Accounts and Settings. This section houses all the important controls for managing how your QuickBooks account operates. Now that you're in the Accounts and Settings area, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see a vertical menu. Click on the Advanced tab. This is where QuickBooks keeps the more technical settings that affect your accounting workflow. Within the Advanced section, scroll down until you find the Accounting category. You'll notice a small pencil icon next to it labeled Edit. Click on this pencil icon to open up the accounting options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle labeled Close the Books. Turn this toggle on. Enabling this feature is what allows you to lock your financial data for specific periods, ensuring that no one can accidentally alter historical transactions that have already been reviewed or audited. Once you've turned on the Close the Books feature, you'll need to enter your desired closing date. This date determines which transactions get locked. For example, if you enter December 31st, all transactions up to and including that date will be protected from changes. Choose a date that aligns with your accounting period, typically the end of a month, quarter, or year. Next, you have the option to add an extra layer of security by setting a password. In the password field, enter a password of your choice, then confirm it in the Confirm Password field. This step is optional but highly recommended as it prevents unauthorized users from making changes to closed periods without proper approval. After you've entered your closing date and optional password, click Save to apply these settings. Finally, click Done to exit the Accounts and Settings menu. Your books are now officially closed for the period you specified, giving you peace of mind that your historical financial data remains accurate and secure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.